Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Okay, you can have sex with anyone, male or female, but they will become pregnant and give birth to your child. That's what I want anyway. 53% press the button. You can marry your crush, but you won't be able to have kids. Well, it doesn't mean I can't divorce my crush and marry someone else and have kids later. So yeah, I'll press the button. Oh. But oh no. You are an Avenger, but you are permanently controlled by Loki. Yeah, sure. See, 40%. Press the button. Minority. Live a nice, safe life, but you live inside a huge wall that protects you from giants trying to eat you, which will one day fall. No. What's life without danger? Minority. Wait. No. Majority. 58%. Press the button. You become invisible, but you can't touch anything. Yeah, sure. Minority, 44%. Press the button. You have the full ability to explore the deep sea, being able to withstand any pressure or danger without dying. But the creatures in the deep sea are hungry and find you very tasty, and getting eaten will traumatize you for life. I'm doing minority, 42%. Press the button. Infinite wealth, love, and health, but uncontrollable bowel and bladder. Yeah. Ooh, 50-50 even. You are able to live a full lifetime in every video game you ever played as a protagonist. You will be able to respawn if you die of anything but old age. But you will have to live a full lifetime in the game before restarting into a new game, and you will return to the real world at your current age, but in the future for how many years you lived. Sure. Majority 62%. Press the button. You become the ultimate kisser, able to kiss your crush perfectly and make her like you, or make your girlfriend adore you. But other women will know about this, and you won't be able to control how crazy they want you, and you can't control how many do like you. Sure, what's the downside? Whoa, 70% pressed. You get $1 billion right now, but you can only spend $1 a day with it. Invest. Whoa, 53%. Press the button. You will meet your most famous celebrity in the world, but you have to marry them and raise a child with them. What's a downside? Okay, last one. You can time travel back and forth as much as you want, but the time traveled will always be deducted from your remaining lifetime. My brother and I talked about this yesterday. Say you're on a street corner and you want to travel back 200 years. to that same street corner, but the world is constantly spinning, so you will probably be floating in space if you did that. But no. 53% didn't press the button. Okay, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. I get Sundays off. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.